I sell online is why I'd want to buy them. They actually would sell from...
You're a picker.
Yeah.
You're a picker.
Yeah.
The minute you walked in here, I knew it.
Yeah. What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie, and welcome to the channel, Thrift on Fire. This past weekend, I got out and hit a few garage sales, but I was only out for about an hour and a half because Saturday afternoon, the little town where our spa is, Tranquility in Tillsonburg, Ontario, the whole main street is shut down, and they do like a little street festival for one day. We put a booth out there, so our spa Tranquility put a booth out there. We actually did like a fundraiser. We were like selling hot dogs and pops and trying to raise money for a local charity called Perfect Companions. But I got a little bit of footage of that to share with you at the end, but first I want to talk about something that happened at a particular yard sale. I'm going to show you a clip. So first there was a lot of this.
Morning. That's vintage?
Yeah, he's from like the 80s.
$10 for that.
Yeah.
Who is it? I've done my research.
Which one is it?
Bear.
Sunshine Bear or something, yeah. Yeah.
I thought it was Teddy Ruxpin.
Yeah. Next, I went to this other yard sale, and I've been here a few times. They set up often, and normally when I go there, I can tell they're either selling liquidation stuff. They basically, you know, every other weekend it seems like they have a yard sale, and they're honestly great people, and I've bought from them before, and I don't really think maybe they even recognized me coming in, but you know, I think I asked for a price on a pair of shoes, and things got a little bit heated. You know, just full transparency, when I left, you know, there's no bad blood or anything like that. It's just crazy how people see picking sometimes. It's not necessarily in a bad light, but I don't think, you know, like, I think we've talked about this a few times on the channel. Obviously, your front yard, you're not going to get the same prices that you're going to get online. You know, I think people who don't quite understand that maybe get frustrated by when people like me or other pickers go around and pick your yard sale. You know, I don't think, you know, I'm definitely not going anywhere to try to ask for things for free. I'll pay up for items. If you only want a few dollars for items, I'll pay whatever you're asking or whatever I'm comfortable selling it for. But this one got a little bit heated. At the end of the day, you know, there was no hard feelings, but I thought I'll share that, and then I'll share a really good haul from this weekend as well. Do you know how much he wanted for the shoes over there? I think it was Skechers.
These ones?
Yeah.
They're $100 shoes. I want $35.
Okay.
Like, if you check it out, you know, so.
Oh, no, I know that they're what they're worth. So I sell online is why I'd want to buy them. They actually would sell from...
You're a picker.
Yeah.
You're a picker.
Yeah.
The minute you walked in here, I knew it.
Yeah. They would sell for me on Poshmark for like $50. So that's all. That's it.
So if you buy them for $35, you make $15.
No, because I got to pay 20% commission. That's why it doesn't make any sense. I make like $5. I get it. I'm not asking for anything from free for you.
The less I can go is $30. So.
Yeah. Oh, it's a good deal.
Brand new, you know?
I do know it is a good deal. Yep.
Faces.
Yeah.
Your biggest mistake,
Well,
putting them sunglasses on.
What's a mistake about buying stuff to sell it for money?
No, it's no mistake. No, you can do whatever you want.
I'm not saying that.
I wouldn't come here to try to rip somebody off. So that's
say that.
I know.
The minute you walked in, when you have your sunglasses on, I knew exactly what you were.
Oh.
You know what? You know what I
Because
don't understand?
that makes you stand out.
Okay.
You know what I don't understand?
Yeah.
People online, if you put them $35,
Yeah.
they won't buy them because they're too expensive. And from you, they buy them from $50?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's a culture of young people to buy like that.
Hey, I don't blame
So,
you.
like how you advertising for people to buy like that?
I don't blame you for
How?
doing that.
Oh yeah.
Because it's a business. I don't blame you
Yeah.
one bit.
Yeah, for sure. How? So it, like Poshmark is very social.
I'd never heard of it.
Or like eBay. You probably heard of eBay.
Yeah. And Facebook and
eBay. When you go on there,
Marketplace
you look up those exact shoes, and you just see what they sold for last.
Yeah.
And then that's what you list them for, and there's a good chance that yours would sell for the same money. If you price them too high, no one will buy them. If you price them too low, someone would buy them faster, but then you'd lose out on a little bit of money you could have made.
Do that.
Hey there. There's some watches down there on the one table. Do you know how much they are?
Whose are the watches out at the end of the table?
Wendy and Dan's.
Yeah, she's down to the bathroom right now. But I think she was selling it for $3. Two
Okay.
apiece.
Okay. There's a few there I would definitely grab. I wasn't sure. I'll grab them and then I'll come back and... I think they told me they're like $3 a piece, maybe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Quite the deal.
Yeah.
All right, they're all yours.
Yeah. Yeah.
So just ask. Okay. So
What
my
is your...
husband said $5 a watch, but if you take, oh, this one actually has.
Oh, does it have something else?
These.
Oh, they're different watch bands.
Yeah, go with that.
Okay.
That one. $20 for all of it?
Yeah, I would do that.
Okay.
Let me, I can throw them back in my backpack here in a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be... All right. So 20 for everything, you mean?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
I
Awesome.
feel like I got a deal. You feel like you got a deal.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. All right, so I just left that sale, and this is kind of what it's like sometimes. I've went to so many sales and found nothing. There was no prices on any of these watches, so I kind of wanted to ask before I decided to grab a bunch. I didn't look anything up. I'll try to throw comps up or something similar for all these if I can, but I got a couple of Fossil watches here. So here's one of them. It's a big face Fossil watch. Fossil used to be a really good brand. I assume the watches still are probably going to do pretty good. I think they're both really nice. I'll have to count these up after because, like, you know, it was maybe 2, maybe 3, then potentially 5, and then, oh, you're going to buy a bunch. How about just 20? So how many did I get? I didn't even count them. We'll count them here at the end. Here's a Ferrari watch. I'm obviously just fresh out of the sale right now. This is a Guess watch. So I've done good with Guess stuff before. And it is a nice steel band. So that's kind of cool. So what are we at? We're at 4. So that would have been $5 a piece, right? So here's the first Seiko watch. Seiko can be a good brand. I don't think, the other one looks like it's gold in color, but I don't think it is gold. But Seiko, I don't know, these can be like anywhere from $20 to $150, depending on a bunch of different factors. But I'll try to look them up and let you guys know. This is another Seiko watch. I didn't look at the back too closely. I'll try to see now in the car. I don't think this one is like, I think it's just like gold plated or something. Yeah, stainless steel or whatever. Regardless, yeah, it's another little Seiko watch. It's got the Seiko on the bracelet part as well. Okay, and then oh, there's two more actually. Maybe be more than that. What did I grab here? Okay, so I must have grabbed the police one. I thought I grabbed the other big face one that was like this too. Maybe I did. Oh yeah, I did. It was the Ferrari one. I guess I already showed you. And then this Timex one, actually a pretty nice watch. Timex can be really good. It's not always the best, but it has all these extra watch bands. Now in the past I've got watch bands for Apple Watches and they haven't done very well. But you know, if I sell this stuff, sell it all together, I might get a little bit more anyway. So how many was that all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 watches for $20. I mean, come on, I don't think I could really do better than that. Like I said, the two Seiko ones potentially are really good. I don't know about the Fossil ones. I really hope they're better than I assume. I think they're going to be good, but maybe not great, but we'll see. Hopefully I was able to throw comps up for all these in editing. Yeah, pretty happy with this pickup. All right, so we just packed everything up. It looks like we raised about $630 for Perfect Companions. So hopefully that money goes to help some, you know, kitties in need. That's, you know, what we hope for anyway. If you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. We'll see you soon.